gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you a Mercari and Poshmark shoe haul. Alright guys, so I've done several shoe hauls these past couple of weeks, and all of these shoes were bought when I was really sick and I was laying in bed and I had nothing better to do but shop and shop and shop and shop and shop, because I have more shoe hauls to show you from that time. So without further ado, let's see what I got this time. Okay guys, before I show you the haul from these two websites, I first wanted to share with you what my experience was shopping on Poshmark versus shopping on Mercari. I did used to sell on Poshmark for a very short amount of time, and the main reason why I quit and just got rid of all my inventory was because it was just a lot of work. Like, you had to share your listings constantly. People were always asking you a ton of questions, and I just really didn't have time for it. I'd much rather focus on my crafting business than that, because crafting is a passion of mine. Selling clothes is not, so I couldn't get into it. So in the end, I decided to offload all of my inventory to somebody else that is in the resale business. So when I was shopping on Poshmark, what I like about Poshmark is you can pick, if you're looking at one seller, their closet, you can pick multiple things in their closet and do what's called a bundle. So once you have your bundle together, you can go ahead and send them an offer and see if they accept what you're offering to pay for these items or not, or vice versa. It gives the seller an opportunity to send you an offer for the things that you were interested in, and when they tally up the shipping for those items, it's all it's for both items. You don't have individual shipping for both items. Versus Mercari. When I was on Mercari, they want you to pay shipping for each and every single item. It doesn't matter if it's from the same seller or not. This was new to me because I'd never shopped on there before, but I saw quite a few pairs of shoes from this seller that I wanted, and they had them reasonably priced. So I took all 3 pairs of shoes, I put them in my cart, and I was like, okay, I'm going to check out. Then I go to check out, and it has $7.99 shipping for each and every single pair of shoes. I was like, no. So then I had to Google, how can I combine shipping on Mercari, because they don't make it easy for you. And it says that you can't. What you have to do is you have to reach out to the seller and see if they will make you an offer for those 3 items. So I reached out to the seller. I didn't hear anything back. If you reach out to a seller on Poshmark, 9 times out of 10, they're back to you right away, right? But on Mercari, none of the sellers that I reached out to, because I reached out to several of them, got back to me, because I wanted several different pairs of shoes that they were selling. Not one got back to me. So on Mercari, it seems like the sellers aren't very into selling their stuff, I guess. I don't know. Or they just want to sell it for the price that it is, including the astronomical shipping that they want to charge you, which I wasn't down for. So I ended up only buying 2 pairs of shoes from Mercari, and then the other 4 pairs of shoes that I bought were from Poshmark. Now that I got all that out of the way, let's dig into the shoes. Okay, so I guess I'll start with the ones from Mercari first, since I only bought 2 pairs from there. So guys, this shoe haul is not that exciting. Just spoiler alert. It's really not as exciting as some of the other shoe hauls that I've had, but I still wanted to share them with you. So I got this super cute, what is this? HRH brand burgundy shoe. Guys, this is a super cute shoe, right? But it's very basic. I mean, there's nothing very exciting about this shoe. It's just your standard stiletto shoe in a burgundy color. It's really pretty. It's nice. I liked the cost that they had for it before I realized how much the shipping was anyways, but I still went ahead and got it because I was just in a shopping mood. But the cost for the shoe was only $12. Guys, it has minimal damage. I mean, these are in excellent shape. It doesn't even look like they wore them. Now, the bottoms of these shoes, although they have these excellent ridges, this is not a rubber sole, so it's not going to give you the kind of grip that you would like to have on a shoe, but it still gives you some pretty good grip, so I'm not really complaining about that. I paid $12 for this shoe, and it's $7.99 shipping on Mercari, no matter what you buy. I mean, I could buy a ring from somebody, and it's still going to be $7.99 shipping. That seems to be the standard. Awesome. So nonetheless, it is a 6.25-inch heel, which I was really excited about. And if I want to spruce this up a little bit, I can always add some kind of shoe embellishment to these, and I just might do that. But these, I was really happy with the cost overall. So how much did I pay? $20 for them? That's not bad. It's like a brand new shoe. So the other pair that I bought from Mercari are these ones right here, and these are so super cute. I think these are these are Steve Madden. Look how cute these are. They're so cute and they're so fun. They're Steve Madden ankle booties that are all sequins over. Let me show you the other side here. Cute little buckle on the side here. Really cute. I am really digging these shoes, guys. I love, love, love them. There's 2 downfalls to the shoes. Well, Now there's 3. There was 2 that I could think of, but that was before I checked the bottom. This is not a great rubber sole. You want a rubber sole with the ridges in there and everything. And granted, somebody wore these. So, I mean, it's worn down a little bit, but still, there weren't great ridges in there. And I just like to have good ridges on all of my shoes, and these don't have that, but it is a rubber sole, so bonus for them on that. So the cost of these shoes was $11 and $7.99 shipping, so I paid $19 for these shoes with very little wear on them. I mean, they're in really good shape, but it's a 5-inch heel. Wah, wah. So I wasn't really excited about that, but they don't give you heel heights on most all people who sell on Poshmark and Mercari do not give you heel heights on the shoes. And then if they do, if you ask them, they'll give you like an estimated heel height. They won't give you the actual heel height. So I really don't like that about these sites, but I just kind of go with my gut, and I liked these, so I went ahead and got them. They're super cute, but I don't know. I'm not excited about them, as you can tell. So where should I jump to next? Okay, so this next set I got from Poshmark, and I did bundle these 2 together. So both of these pairs, I sent her an offer for $22 for both pairs, and she accepted the offer. And with shipping, I ended up paying $31.59. So it was roughly $16 each pair of shoe. So both of these shoes are 6 inches in height each. So I have, what is this one? Oh, this is a Forever 21 pair. Super cute, right? I like the studs on the back, and these ones are actually kind of sharp, just saying, a little bit of sharpness there. But these are in excellent shape, guys. I mean, both pairs were in great shape. The bottoms of these shoes are terrible. Like, they're slippery, slidey, whatever. I mean, that just seems to be the standard with a lot of shoes. This is a black, like, suede material, which is really nice. Oh, I told you the cost and that they were 6-inch heels. So, I mean, this isn't bad. So I was really happy with those. And then they had these ones here, also a Forever 21 pair of shoes. They have the heelless ones with the buckles going up there. So these are really cute. I like the curved heel. You guys know how I feel about that. These were really comfortable. I've already tried them on. They do have a rubber sole, but not the nice good ridges. But still, I felt really comfortable wearing these shoes, and I thought that they were really comfortable, and they seemed to have good grip when I was wearing them, so that was a good thing. Oh, I keep looking down. This is a 6-inch heel, and you guys know that I paid about $16 for this pair of shoes. They do have some slight wear on them. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. But, I mean, I knew these were used when I bought them, so it is what it is. Were they worth $16? I don't know. Probably not. Okay, so we'll go ahead and jump into these ones next, again, from Poshmark. These ones I paid $15 for, and then with shipping, they were $21.34. These are a 6-inch heel, and these ones were brand new. Chinese laundry. Yeah, I think it's Chinese laundry. Yeah, look how cute these are, guys, though. Look, so they have these awesome, like, detail at the top of the shoes. Look at that. I loved this. I thought they were so super cute. It's like a suede material, and I obviously love the curved heel. Believe it or not, guys, the bottom, these ridges are great, and this is a rubber sole. This is awesome, guys. These are the kind of shoes that you could, like, jump rope in and stuff like that. So awesome, right? So I'm really excited about these, but $21.34, I mean, it's an okay price, but I just feel like I pay so much more when I'm on these other sites, and that's why I don't shop on them very often. But I was in a shopping mood, so I bought a lot of shoes that I probably didn't need and probably shouldn't have got, but I did. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, I get these awesome, unique styles from Chic, and then I got these. But nonetheless, this last pair here is the Show Story brand. Now, you guys saw the Show Story shoes that I showed you last week that came in damaged. These ones I got on Poshmark before I got those ones in, I'm just saying. So it is a 5.5-inch heel. I paid $8 for the shoes, so that's not bad, but they are damaged, and I will show that, and I knew that. She explained that in her listing. They were $8. They ended up being $16.57 with shipping, so still a better deal than the $50 that I paid for the ones that I bought from the Show Story online store. So here's the shoe. Look at these. They got like tigers on them and stuff, guys. How cool is that? Then they have this awesome spine heel, which I'm a huge fan of the spine heel. I just wish it was a higher heel. It's only 5.5 inches. And then they have these super cute chains on the side. So the other shoe I'll show you, the chain broke. So I'm not surprised about that. So I'm going to have to DIY it, but they're so super cute, guys. I love these. I mean, this shoe is awesome. The bottom of the sole is not good, though. It's a plasticky bottom, so that's not good at all. But the shoe itself is awesome. And believe it or not, this one, the quality is not bad. Like the ones last week, the quality was horrible. This is good quality. I mean, I like this one. So I guess maybe it's a hit or miss with this brand. But here's the one with the broken, see, There's supposed to be a chain right here. It's broke. I can easily fix that. Excuse me, fix that. I'm not concerned about that at all. So that's why I went ahead and got the shoe, because they were barely worn. It looks like she wore them maybe one time. So, overall, is this a thrifty way to shop? It can be. I mean, you see $8 and you're thinking, great deal, right? But then you got to remember, these sites always charge shipping. Even if it's discounted shipping on Poshmark, where you can get discounted shipping to $5 at times, it's still, you still got to pay shipping. So, I mean, just keep that in mind. It's not always a great deal, but it's a better deal than what you would pay in the store for name brand shoes. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the try-on and close out this video. Okay, guys, we're going to start with these burgundy stilettos, and oh my gosh, they are every bit as comfortable as I expected them to be. Even the bottom isn't as bad as I thought it would be. I didn't find myself slipping a whole lot when I had these shoes on, so these are definitely a great buy, even with the $7.99 shipping. Next up, we have these Steve Madden sequin ankle boots, and guys, they are comfortable, but anytime they put sequins or any kind of material like this, like a glitter or a sequins, it's just uncomfortable right on the top of my foot. But other than that, they feel pretty good. I'm happy with them. Okay, guys, next up we have these suede velvety open toe stilettos with the gold studs on the back. I really like these guys. I think they look really great on my feet. I'm not really sure why my veins are popping out so much in this video, but I'm noticing it as I'm watching it back. Normally my feet don't look like that, but other than that, I think they look great on my feet, and I found them to be very comfortable. Next up, we have these black heelless shoes with the buckle detail going up the front of the shoe, and I fully expected these to be super comfortable, and they are. These are definitely what I would call a walking shoe. These would be shoes that I would pick if I had to walk a lot that day. I absolutely love them. Next up are the black velvet ones with all of the detail around the ankle. And guys, these again were super, super comfortable. As you guys know, I just absolutely love the heelless style shoe. I just think that they are very classy looking and comfortable. So it was no surprise that I felt that way about these shoes. And last up, we have the Show Story Tiger Spine heels with the gold chains on the side. Guys, these ones were actually really comfortable. I was surprised about that. And the chains do flop around quite a bit, so I can see how one of them broke off. But other than that, they're pretty good. Overall, it's an okay haul, but not an exciting haul. Let's jump into final thoughts. Okay, guys, so that wraps up my shoe haul for this Thrifty Thursday. We'll be jumping back into the chic hauls very soon, but a friend of mine sent me some shoes, so I just might have those shoes on my next week's Thrifty Thursday, because being that she got them for me, that means they're free, right? I'm just saying. So I might do those ones on next week's Thrifty Thursday and then jump back into my chic hauls. But if anybody's interested on shopping on Poshmark or Mercari, I will link all that information in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Hey, what's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is I hate when I do that. Thrifty Thursday. And I have the pricing and everything written down for each and every single shoe. But before we get started, I just wanted to tell you the difference from yeah. All right, guys, let's do it. Woo! Everybody was asking a million different questions, and I just didn't have time for it. I'll be honest with you guys. So I would much rather, not rather much. Wow. Try it again. I did used to sell on Poshmark for a little while. I mean, it's just a lot of work selling on Poshmark. I mean, you need to share, not sell. I keep wanting to say that. That's why I'm messing up. Try it again. Okay, guys, before I get started on showing you what I got from these two websites, I first wanted to tell you the difference of I give up. Maybe I won't do this.